want to give you an update, kid update. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll see how far they go. I keep saying one of these days he's going to be able to. They'll come back. They'll come back. So, we didn't lose any of our kids. Oh, look. One of them is coming back. Probably one of the monarchs of the group. You guys see him? This is one of the first days it's been. Here they come. Jim's almost back to the barn. Oh, come on, guys. You know they want to come. Here they come. Got a monarch. It's probably limpy. When she comes, the others will come. There's still a little bit of snow on the ground, but this is the first day. Really, it's kind of melted off. I probably still gotta drive old Blue instead of Sally, because there's still places, even on our road where the shade is, that the road's still covered with ice. So maybe by Friday, my day off. And I think Friday it's gonna get back down again. It's supposed to be cold, like 10 degrees or something. I think today it got like 30, maybe. Here they come. Oh. She coming in hot. 1, 2, there was 9. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7, 8. There must be one somewhere else. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I see. There's 5 here, 5 here, and then 1 is, she's right there, there she is, that's 6, and then you got 2 standing up there. There we go, I haven't got him in there. One's right there, and one's right in there.
You missed a good part.
What?
I went up there and threw corn when they were all there.
No, I didn't miss anything. I had it all on video.
Oh, you saw it?
Yeah, I did. Didn't we, guys? Yes, we did. We saw every bit of it. So you had 9 there, but only 8 come back. So, well,
There was 9?
there was 9 altogether before they left. And then those 2 up on the hill make 8. So I don't know where the other one went, but we at least have these guys, so we'll let them enjoy. 25 degrees. And this is the highest it's going to be for a little bit. We got 1 to, I think, 5 inches of snow coming tomorrow. I think the high, don't quote me, but somewhere in the teens, wind chill, and I don't know. It's going to be cold. I think it's going to be in the negatives by Tuesday. Don't know what it's going to be with the wind chill, but yeah, it's going to be like the North Pole here in Oklahoma. So me and Cooper, we had to run to the post office. And I got a order for some recycled paper, so I'm gonna go put it in the mail. And then I think we're gonna stay in a warm house. Got a fire going. When I get back with Sally, the Mustang, Jim's gonna switch out and put old Blue, the hunt truck, in the driveway. Because with snow, ain't no way we're gonna drive Sally to work Monday. And I'm sure Whirlpool won't be closed. So, I'll put Sally in the barn and I'll drive old Blue to work. So, anyway, just wanted to bring you along. Nope, Sally's in the barn. She's got to cool off so we can put some mothballs in her so mice don't get up and chew on stuff. Because it's nice and warm. So, it's what we used to do with Blue when he's in here. Guys, I got this at Walmart, and it was on sale, 75% off, so it was $5.98. So I got it for $1.50. So I am going to take this off, and then we're going to paint it white, because I'm going to decoupage on this. Okay, it's going to need a couple of coats, so we're going to let that one dry. So my decoupage paper wasn't quite long enough, so I used some of the stuff that I cut off on the bottom that I'm going to do to the edge. So to make it blend in, I'm just taking a brush with water and put it along the edge, and I'm going to tear it a little bit, like I said, so it just kind of blends in a little bit. So that's what I'm doing here for the sides. So this also was some of the sides that I need to add some to. So I'm going to add those first. And I'll do this on both sides before I add this centerpiece. So it looks like it kind of blends in there. This is where I'm going to add those little tiny little pieces that I trimmed up earlier. Make sure it blends in. Looks like the tree line right here. And I'll do this again on the other side.
turned out pretty good. May have to do some painting on some other decoupage paper. But it doesn't look too bad. Especially for a little cheap little thing where it started there from Walmart. Here I'll show you the snow, or not snow, sorry, the ice that came in on us.
Guys, I don't know if it's going to warm up. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I mean, it's melting off the house, but it's also raining. And I think it's actually getting thicker on the trees. And the icicles are getting longer on the bird feeder. I don't know. Jim has to. I mean, that is ice. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that is ice. If it's not melting on that, it's probably not going to melt on the road. And to me, it's getting thicker on that tree. I don't know. I just hope the power lines don't go down on us. Oh, there's some deer coming, guys. See them moving up there? Let's see. 4. Oh, there's 5. There's another one up there. Coming. There's 4 right here. There's 4 right here. Oh, 5, 6, 7. It's probably our 8, guys. We'll see. Getting chilly. I'm going back in. What you two doing? Huh? What you two doing? Huh? It's cold out there. It's cold out there.